When debugging JavaScript, it's crucial to have a clear stack trace. In this section of code, we're extending JavaScript's native error object to capture the stack trace, which helps pinpoint where errors are thrown. But first, we check if the function error capture stack trace is available to avoid any runtime issues. This function is specific to certain JavaScript environments like V8, which powers Chrome and Node.js. If it's present, we'll use it to attach the stack trace to our custom error object, custom error, giving us better insight into the error's origin. Here we have a global error handler using the window onError event. This universal method captures errors across the entire window, providing vital error information such as message, source file, line number, column number, and the actual error object. Notably, if an error object is present but missing a stack trace, a warning is logged, suggesting that there might be an issue with source maps not being available or linked correctly. By returning true, we also suppress the browser's default error handling, giving us full control over the error reporting process. In this snippet, we've got a try catch block, which is a fundamental part of error handling in JavaScript. When an exception occurs, the code inside the catch block runs. We're doing a couple of things here. First, if an error has a source URL property but is missing a stack trace, it's likely a sign that there's a problem with the source map. The console warning will help us identify and resolve the issue. Next, we're also dealing with specific error types. For example, if we catch a reference error, we log it separately, ensuring we're aware of different kinds of errors that might not be related to missing source maps. Sometimes, you might need to load source maps dynamically or troubleshoot issues related to them not being linked properly. This code demonstrates how to fetch a source map file using the Fetch API. It's a two-step process where we first fetch the source map and then parse it as JSON. If anything goes wrong, such as a network issue or a typo in the path to the source map file, the catch block will log an error. This can be critical in diagnosing why a source map isn't available in your developer tools. Here we are checking the environment for stack trace support. Since stack traces are a developer's best friend for debugging, we use this simple feature detection to inform us whether we can rely on them. The code is creating a new error object to test if the stack property is available. If it's not, we know right away that our error handling might need alternative strategies because stack traces aren't supported, which could be the case in some older browsers or non-standard environments.